Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out I-dle's Queencard. One thing about I-dle, every comeback they come through, they always have an interesting concept and they always kill it with a special message at the end. I-dle just keeps on bringing the hits with the messages. We love those in this channel. But I-dle coming out with Queencard, the official music video. I'm pretty sure this is the title track if I'm not mistaken, and their mini album came out right here. Guys, go check it out. I'm gonna save and download it. I just woke up right now, actually. First thing I thought was like, oh, I-dle came out, so I definitely want to check it out, especially after the last one. Soyeon, or the character that Soyeon's playing, is going to the doctors, if I'm not mistaken. I'm guessing this is a continuation, or unless it's a totally different thing, then I'm fine with it too. Guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy's gonna be on Twitch live at 5 p.m. PST. We're gonna be checking out the Game Caterers 17 on Twitch. Go check that out with me if you want to watch that with me. It's a good, fun time, to be honest. We have a fun time on Twitch, so if you want to join, come through. Also, new video on Dre Day. I went to the August D show day 2, and I got to share some footage with you on Dre Day. So go subscribe to Dre Day, my new channel, where I'm just gonna be posting about my friends, interviews, not sure, maybe Twitch live streams as well, and a lot of behind the scenes stuff that you probably won't see on JREAMERS. So link in the description for Dre Day as well. Bless you. Further ado, let's check it out. We got Mini right here in 3, 2, 1.
Previously on I-dle.
Previously, like a TV show. Ooh, I like the way it's shot though, like the color correction. Queencard, yes. Oh, we in the hospital consulting room. Oh, everybody's saying so. Oh, god dang, Mini. I swear, Mini always be slaying anywhere, whether it be an IG picture or anything. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Hold up. Hold on, I need to see that walk one more time. Ooh. Oh. Damn. Ew. I never understood like guys that catcall or like I always thought it was uncomfortable even for me. So I'm the type to like not look at the person. You got some balls to catcall, I guess. But then she looking good per usual. Oh. Shining from head to toe. Oh. Is this a montage? Is this like a... Sorry, I just stopped talking because... Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh, no problem. Oh, she got boot thing. Oh, you know that's some tea right there. No. You see that from afar, from a different point of view, you know that's some tea. And I'm all for it. I'll be bringing out my popcorn and everything. That's a good looking guy though. Hi, how are you? Wait, what? Excuse me? My boob and booty's hot? My one boob? Not both? But I'm guessing both? Okay, that's not the point. That's not the point of the song, Jay. Come on. I'm hot. My boob and booty's hot. Okay. Yeah. Hey. I'm top. Why'd they react like some Disney show? Hold up. I mean, me when they walk into. Bro! I'm top. On the run. Wait, twerking on the runway? That's the type of party I like. Is this a dance battle happening? Ooh, okay. Is this the same dance as White Chicks? Like that movie? Take a photo. Ooh. Dang. Looks so sexy like Kim Kardashian. Looks so sexy like Kim Kardashian. Looks so cool, looks so sexy like Kim Kardashian. Looks so cute. I love Yuki's voice though, by the way. You should check out her solo. Very slept on, I feel. But yeah, that's what me and my girl always listen to sometimes when we're on our playlist. Okay, anyway. Hi, Yuki. Oh. Oh. Hey, yo, what's happening? They're just playing around. They're just playing around. I'm trying to read the lyrics here. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to understand the lyrics right now. You in the mirror keep getting prettier. Damn. I need to start saying that. He's like, you get more handsome every day. You know, that self-confidence. Anyways, what is this pause? A? Oh, the doctors. Oh, that's such a nice shot. That's a funny shot. Yes, ma'am. You look good. Like, oh. What did he say? Wait, what did he say? There's so much happening. There's subtitles under subtitles. So I'm like boob and booty's hot. How many shots do you want? He got that Neo hat on. You gonna be like, I'm so sick of love song. Hey, hey!
I am a queen card. You wanna be the queen card?
I'm a queen card. Ooh, I like how it just drops like that. Like the little. What is that? Is that a cowbell? No shot. I think so. We love a good cowbell. Yes, thinner thick girl. Get that queen card.
I am a queen card. You wanna be the queen card?
Oh, hi. Oh my. Wait. Damn. She said, nah, I'm good. MySpace famous is your shirt? Wait. Yeah, MySpace famous. Dang. I think she looks cute here, to be very honest. I don't know how other people would think. I think she always looks cute.
You were so awesome yesterday. Let's hang out. You are so freaking hot. Please follow me.
You're so freaking hot. No, not the 90s ending move. Like the little look to the side like, oh well, onto my actual life. My amazing life.
Please follow me.
With the little. It's cute. I feel blue, I feel lonely. I feel you. This literally feels like a 90s or 2000s movie. Those iconic lyrics that I'll remember forever. I'm twerking on the runway is a very iconic lyric as well. But my boob and booty is hot. I remember that one forever. That's gonna stay in the memory banks. Anyways, I-dle coming through with a continuation from the last one. But this time just uplifting that everybody's queen. You know, you want a queen card, you are a queen. Whatever you are, whatever, you know. Every girl is a queen. Or guy. Because sometimes chat, I say chat like I'm on Twitch. Follow on Twitch, by the way. Sometimes I feel like I'm a bad bitch. And not sometimes, a lot of times, you know, bad bitches have like, have their moments, you know, where we're sad. But, you know, we pick ourselves up and being a bad bitch as we usually are. But, what was I trying to say with this? I don't know, but I'm a bad bitch. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think of I-dle's Queencard. I'm probably gonna check out I Feel album, the EP I Feel, either on Twitch or on my own time. Usually I just rather like whether I'm working out, whether I be in the car, getting groceries, doing errands. I just listen to random music sometimes. But put a comment down below what you guys think of Queencard. I was very curious and not sure like, oh, what do you mean Queencard? Like the British queen, or just queen in general, like you the queen, like, or Beyonce queen? Like there's many queens out here. We are all queens. Look at yourself in the mirror and call yourself a queen. Even Freddie Mercury. Freddie Mercury too. Alright, y'all. It's your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Dre Day. Go check out the new video. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.